As you guys may know, recently the Pi network asked all pioneers to confirm their 2FA. This is one of the criteria for you to get your migration. This was verified with a post they made in Twitter urging everybody who has not migrated or who has even migrated to secure their wallet by doing the 2FA, which means you have to go to your checklists and click on number 3. But it's not that simple. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can conduct this exercise. So follow me as I walk you through. The two apps you'll be needing for this will be the Pi mining app and the Pi browser. So the first thing you need to do before you head to the checklist number 3 is to click on the Pi browser. From here, you click on wallet, then you log into your wallet using your passphrase, or if you have your biometrics done, you can use your Face ID. Once you log in, immediately go to the top right where you have the settings. Once you are logged in, pay attention and I will teach you how to find your passphrase. Click on the setting icons at the top right. This will bring you into the wallet settings. Once you're here, you can see where it says show my passphrase. Click on it and it will display your passphrase. Copy the passphrase and head back to your mining app. From your mining app, navigate to your checklist. At the checklist, click on number 3. Once you click that, it will ask you to confirm Pi wallet. Once you see this, just key in the copied passphrase from your wallet. Then click on confirm your wallet. This will immediately take you to your wallet, but it will activate your Pi testnet wallet first. Do not be alarmed, it's just a process. If you have not done your biometrics, this is another chance for you to do your biometrics. All you need to simply do is to click on confirm, and then it will take a snapshot of your face to enable your Face ID. For those pioneers using the Android or any device that uses the fingerprint, it is the same process. Once you click on confirm, it will ask you to place your finger so that you can take your biometrics. To change back to your main wallet, just simply go where it says Pi testnet, click on it, and then you see Pi mainnet. Select that and your mainnet wallet will open. It's as simple as that. Go back to your checklist to confirm that number 3 has been ticked. This number 3 simply tells the network that you have connected your wallet to the blockchain. I'm going to do a separate video where I will demonstrate how you can create a new wallet, synchronize it to the blockchain, configure it, then secure it from scammers. Also, I would like you to pay attention to this. When you go to your mining app, click on the 3 dotted lines up here and then click on profile. I would suggest you go to your profile and check that every of these marks are correctly checked. From the phone number, Apple ID if you're using Apple, Facebook verification, your email address, your identity verification, which is the KYC. Make sure that all these are checked, and also password. If you have not updated your password or you don't remember your password, you can update it here and make sure you have green checks the way I do on this app. This is an assurance that you will be getting migrated as soon as migration turn gets to you. If you found this video interesting, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It helps the video go round to other pioneers. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.